So now you're on the part of the lesson where you are working independently to read and break down some documents and one image. So here's kind of a tour of what you're going to be doing. The first document is here on the screen. And again, you should just go to the Google Doc to read these two. This is on the second page, the third reading, and the last reading will be on the third page. So for this first reading, you are going to read this text about an African-American man who was attacked by the Klan. He wasn't quite murdered because he was still able to write about this, but kind of what happened to him, why was he attacked, and you're going to answer two questions about this. The next is a shorter reading and your only other reading for today's lesson, which is looking at the effects of Klan violence on an election in Mississippi. This was a town where African Americans were just attacked during an election, and we're looking at kind of what happened and the impacts of these attacks. And then the last thing you're going to do for this section is there is an image here, which is a political cartoon or an engraving, primary source document from 1874. And you're going to kind of look at some specific details of what you see in this image here, kind of breaking it down to understand what it's saying and what the author or creator of this was trying to convey to the person who viewed it. And you're going to find two specific details that show the images of Klan violence and its effects on the people of the South. So that's what you're doing for this section, and then there'll be another video right here of watching some videos for part 2, but you'll just watch the other instructions video right there for what to do for watching part 2. And that's what you're going to do on your own. Of course, take it slow, reread the text if you have any questions, but do your best and make sure you contact me if you have any questions as well.